Good morning, traders. My name is Dan Pavilonis, Senior Commodities Broker at RJ O'Brien Futures. Today is Tuesday, June 5th, 2012. I have your morning commentary for the energy market. Overnight action, Eurozone PMI fell to 46. It's the lowest level since 2009, June of 2009. G7 meetings today. Nothing really coming of it. We're hearing word that didn't even discuss the Greek exit or any kind of Greek exit. So it's not really doing too much for the markets to gain any support. We have ISM out at 9 o'clock. That's expected at 53.3. And today we have at 3:30 API. Should give us indication of what DOE stocks are coming out tomorrow at 9:30. Overall, as far as oil is concerned, we had the UN Atomic Agency talk yesterday. 36 countries involved in that. One of their major topics was Iran. On Friday, we're actually these guys are going into Iran. They're going to continue talks from a couple weeks back. So they're going to want to look into Tehran. That's where they supposedly are building some kind of a nuclear switch. And if those talks do gain traction, Iran has oil, plenty of oil off the coast that hasn't been able to sell because of SWIFT regulations and everything of that nature. So as far as July crude contract is concerned, we saw a pullback down to 81.21 and some change on Monday. We've seen a little bit of a bounce from there. I think it's just contractual bounce because we saw such a sharp sell-off. But a couple of keys to remember here. We're actually at a 20-year supply. We have highest supply, the highest levels of supply in the last 20 years. Global demand has dropped to 15-year lows. And rig counts in the U.S. are up 44.4%. That's not natural gas rigs; those are U.S. rigs, oil rigs. And if you look at a market like natural gas, for instance, we've had plenty of rigs, built so much supply, and on the way down, a lot of people thought that the market was cheap and it was going to go up. We were at like $4, $3, even at $6. I think we can have the same type of environment here in crude oil. As far as QE, quantitative easing, I personally don't believe we're going to start up a printing press anytime soon, especially because of Greek votes don't come in until June 17th. I think it's highly unlikely there would be any kind of fiscal changes before then, and then all of a sudden Syriza gets elected and rips up the austerity measures. So again, I think crude oil is going down. If you have any questions, please give me a call, 800-826-1120. Again, my name is Dan Pavilonis, Senior Market Strategist at RJ O'Brien Futures. And remember, futures trading has a significant, it can have significant loss, so it's not suitable for everyone. Give me a call.